Hi everyone, my name is Julia and I'm an orientation leader at Marshall College this year. So today I'll be going through a quick walkthrough of Canvas and some tips and tricks I use to navigate through the platform. So what Canvas is, it's a platform that most professors use to communicate with their students. This is where they post announcements, assignments, and even your grades. And so it's good to note that some professors use other tools such as Piazza or Gradescope or even Slack. So it really depends on the course that you're taking. But Canvas is most commonly used amongst professors at UCSD. So how you get onto Canvas? You can either type down canvas.ucsd.edu and log in with your student information, or if you go under your Triton link, it will be under classes and enrollment. I also bookmark it right here since I check it almost every day. So once you go onto Canvas, it'll take you to your dashboard, and this is where it'll link your courses for the upcoming quarter. Since there are no classes going on right now, I don't have any courses or any running courses, but if I go to all courses, I'll see all my previous courses. So let's take this course for example. Once you click on a course, it'll take you to your homepage, and this is where professors will post any information that they think is relevant. It could either be the syllabus or other important links. If you go under announcements, this is where professors will post announcements to the whole class. Some announcements are sent directly to your email, but sometimes they're not. So I would suggest checking this periodically to make sure that you're caught up in the class, especially if the class is online. An important tab to check is the Files tab. So this is where professors link all important documents for the class. So this is where your readings will be, or your class lectures, or even sometimes your syllabus is posted under files. So if the professor says that a certain document is on Canvas, make sure you check the Files tab because this is where it usually is. Another important tab is the Grades tab, obviously. So this is where professors will post your grades for the course. One cool thing about this is you can use it to calculate your grades. So for example, I wanted to see what my grade would be if I got a 0 out of 10 on this assignment. So if I type 0 out of 10, it'll calculate what my grade would be respectively. So if I go ahead and change it back, you can see how my grade has changed. So this is a really cool tool if you want to see what grade you need to get on a certain exam or a certain assignment to get a specific grade you want in the class. Another cool tool is if you click on the check mark, you can see details for that specific assignment. So this way you can kind of see how you're doing in the class compared to other students. Another cool tool is the Zoom tab. So this is where professors will link all the upcoming meetings for the class. So this could be either for lectures, discussion sections, or even office hours. So it'll list the time and date of the meeting and the link for the meeting. So if you click on the link, it'll take you directly to Zoom for that meeting. And because most classes are online this quarter, most professors will be recording lectures. To find those recorded lectures, you can go under Media Gallery, and this is where professors will post recorded lectures or review sections, etc. This is not used by all professors, so I would check if how your professors distribute lecture recordings. So lastly, if you go under the inbox tool, you can message your professors directly. So if you click on Compose Message and select the course and professors, you can send a message directly to your professors or to your TAs or other students in the class. I would check with your professors and TAs how they like to communicate with students, because some professors don't check their Canvas as often. Sometimes they prefer to get emails directly or maybe another type of communication tool. So I would check with your professors on this. So thank you for listening. I hope you found this quick walkthrough really helpful, and cheers to a great year at UCSD.